Stop scrolling. Give me 15 minutes. Feeling distracted, tired, or stressed? This simple yoga routine will boost your focus, calm your mind, and build real confidence. No experience, no equipment, just you becoming unstoppable. Let's begin. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Let your body relax and your mind slow down. Take a deep breath in through your nose, slowly exhale and release all tension. Gently roll your neck from side to side. Feel the tension melting away. Lift your shoulders up and roll them back. Release stress and open your chest. Fold forward and rest your body. Let yourself fully relax in this pose. Round your spine and drop your head. Feel a deep stretch in your back. Lift your chest and look upward. Open your heart and breathe deeply. Lift your hips and press into the mat. Stretch your whole body gently. Slowly fold forward from your hips. Let your head hang and relax. Stand tall with your body aligned. Feel strong, steady, and confident. Balance on one leg and stay focused. Find stillness and inner calm. Step forward and raise your arms high. Feel your strength and power grow. Extend your arms and hold strong. Keep your gaze steady and focused. Reach down and stretch your side body. Open your chest and breathe deeply. Sit back as if on a chair. Feel the strength building in your legs. Lift your hips and press into your feet. Open your chest and feel the stretch. Let your knees fall open gently. Relax your body and breathe slowly. Twist your body gently to one side. Release tension from your spine. Lift your legs up and stay still. Let your body reset and relax. Lie down and close your eyes. Let your body fully rest and recover.